Hello, my friend. Welcome to my All Farmers channel, the channel for all American farmers. Have you ever wondered where we get the delicious dragon fruit that ends up in our grocery stores and how it's done? Of course, you have. Today, we're going to take you into the fascinating and breathtaking world of American dragon fruit farms and how they harvest millions of these exotic fruits. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification to receive the next fascinating videos from the world of farming from all farmers. Where does it all begin? Let's start with the soil, an essential foundation for the growth of dragon fruit plants. Farmers know that dragon fruit thrives in loose, well-drained, nutrient-rich soil. This type of soil provides the structure the plants need for their roots to spread, while ensuring excess water can drain away. Preparing this type of soil is a meticulous process, requiring careful management and the addition of organic matter to maintain its fertility. Growing dragon fruit is far from a simple process. It's a craft honed over years, with each step requiring skill and precision. Farmers are like master artists, selecting cuttings from mature, healthy plants with great care, knowing that each cutting is the foundation of a future harvest. These cuttings are planted about 12 to 16 inches deep, spaced 8 to 10 feet apart, a strategic distance that allows each plant ample space to expand while making maintenance and harvesting easier down the line. This calculated spacing supports healthy airflow, reduces the risk of disease, and ensures that each plant receives enough sunlight. Once planted, these cuttings become long-term investments, as a well-cared-for dragon fruit plant can bear fruit for up to 20 years. Remarkably resilient, each plant produces 20 to 30 fruits per season and can yield as many as 600 fruits over its lifetime, offering farmers a steady source of income and satisfaction. A well-kept dragon fruit field, stretching beneath a vast sky, is more than just rows of plants. It's a testament to the dedication and labor of those who tend to it daily. Each plant is treated as a unique, evolving work of art. Farmers routinely inspect every branch and leaf, staying alert for signs of pests, disease, or nutrient deficiencies. Watering and fertilizing the plants on a carefully planned schedule is vital. Organic fertilizers are applied once a month, using just the right amount to enrich the plants without harming the soil's health over time. Too little fertilizer would starve the plants of essential nutrients. Too much might deplete the soil's vitality. This precise approach ensures that the plants flourish, while the soil remains productive for future generations. Under ideal conditions, 1 hectare of dragon fruit fields can produce an impressive yield of 30 to 35 tons of fruit per season. Such productivity reflects not just the quality of the soil or the favorable climate, but also the countless hours of labor, patience, and expertise poured into the cultivation process. Every detail, from the spacing of the plants to the midnight pollination sessions, is part of the careful nurturing that goes into each fruit. Despite all this hard work, dragon fruit has a unique habit that requires even more dedication from farmers. These plants are nocturnal bloomers. As the day fades, they begin their most crucial phase. The beautiful white flowers bloom under the moonlight, requiring pollination within a single night to set fruit. For farmers, the sight of these flowers illuminated by moonlight represents a rare and precious moment, a glimpse into the beauty and magic of their work, as they stand ready to assist nature in the delicate dance that produces this remarkable fruit. As the day gives way to dusk, the dragon fruit flowers begin their magical transformation, unfurling their pure white petals in a quiet, almost mystical display. The sight is like a well-kept secret shared with the night, each flower appearing as if it's whispering gentle secrets to the moon. Their beauty is ethereal and short-lived, a moment of delicate splendor that vanishes by dawn. This fleeting bloom window is crucial for the plant's life cycle, as only pollinated flowers will bear fruit. The timing is precise, and farmers, deeply aware of its importance, often find themselves in the fields under the moonlight, carefully hand-pollinating each blossom. They work with steady hands and attentive minds, knowing that this one night could mean the difference between a bountiful harvest and missed potential. This nighttime labor is a deeply personal task for many farmers, akin to caring for a high-maintenance guest. The dragon fruit flowers demand undivided attention, only opening once, requiring patience, delicacy, and devotion. To these farmers, each flower represents the essence of their hard work, a precious, temperamental beauty that blooms briefly before it fades away. Despite its short life, this bloom is symbolic of the long hours of effort poured into every stage of growth. Farmers watch over these flowers with pride, knowing that their dedication during these quiet, moonlit hours will soon result in a vibrant crop that will travel from their fields to markets and tables across the world. After days of nurturing and waiting, the dragon fruits themselves begin to emerge. Starting as small, unassuming green bulbs, they steadily grow, developing a striking, deep red hue that signals their ripeness. This transformation is slow and steady, a visual testament to the patient care and attention lavished on each plant. When the fruits reach maturity, it's a proud moment, the culmination of weeks of work and watchful care. But even at this stage, the process is far from over. Harvesting dragon fruit is an art in itself, requiring both precision and skill to ensure each fruit is gathered in its best condition. In the early morning, before the heat of the day sets in, farmers head to the fields, their tools sharp and their movements deliberate. They carefully cut each fruit from the plant, ensuring that neither skin nor stem is damaged in the process. A perfectly harvested dragon fruit has firm, bright red skin and a sweet, refreshing flavor. Every cut is made with intention, preserving the fruit's quality for its journey to consumers. As they move through the rows, farmers see the fruits as the ultimate reward for their efforts, a product of dedication, skill, and countless nights spent under the moonlight, all culminating in a harvest that is as beautiful as it is delicious. Each dragon fruit plant is remarkably productive, yielding between 20 to 30 fruits per season. When cultivated in large, carefully maintained fields, these plants can generate several tons of fruit each year, supporting a thriving industry. After the fruits reach their ideal ripeness, they are harvested with great care. Each one is gently placed in baskets to prevent bruising, which would compromise their appearance and quality. From here, they are quickly transferred to cold storage facilities to preserve their freshness and extend their shelf life, ready for the next stage of their journey to processing plants or wholesale markets. Harvesting season isn't without its challenges. Farmers often contend with unpredictable weather, such as sudden downpours, or even curious animals drawn to the bright fruit, eager for a taste. Once at the processing plants, the dragon fruit enters a thorough selection and preparation process. First, each fruit is carefully sorted and washed, ensuring only the best fruits continue down the line. The selected fruits are then processed into various forms, the most popular of which is dried dragon fruit. These fruits are sliced and dehydrated, transforming them into crispy, naturally sweet dragon fruit chips. These chips maintain much of the fruit's nutritional value and flavor, providing a long-lasting snack that is both nutritious and convenient for on-the-go consumption. Dried dragon fruit has become particularly popular in international markets, offering a taste of the tropics with all the convenience of a shelf-stable product. Dragon fruit's journey from farm to table is a testament to modern agriculture in Asia, particularly in Vietnam, where it has become a symbol of agricultural success and innovation. The region's dragon fruit production has steadily increased thanks to technological advancements, improved growing techniques, and dedicated farmers who have embraced more efficient practices. The growth of this industry provides a stable livelihood for thousands of farmers and their communities, bolstering local economies. Beyond domestic markets, dragon fruit has captured global attention, with exports reaching Europe, the Americas, and even parts of Africa. Its vibrant appearance, unique taste, and health benefits have earned dragon fruit a place in international kitchens, symbolizing the powerful impact of sustainable farming and the growing appetite for exotic fruits worldwide. After harvesting, a significant portion of the dragon fruit is sent to juice processing plants, where only the freshest fruits are selected to create high-quality juice. The juice extraction process preserves the vibrant color and rich nutrient profile that dragon fruit is known for, ensuring a product that's as visually appealing as it is healthy. This juice is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a nutritious choice for consumers. Dragon fruit juice can be enjoyed on its own, as a refreshing drink, or blended into smoothies, cocktails, and other beverages, adding both flavor and a striking color that makes any drink feel like a tropical treat. Vietnam holds the title as the world's largest exporter of dragon fruit, responsible for nearly 50% of global production. This impressive achievement isn't limited to fresh fruit exports. Vietnam has also developed a booming dragon fruit processing industry. In addition to juice and dried fruit chips, dragon fruit has become a key ingredient in a diverse range of products, including nutritional snacks, natural health supplements, and even cosmetic items like face masks and creams. The demand for dragon fruit products continues to grow internationally, showcasing the immense potential of this versatile fruit. With continuous advancements in farming techniques and product innovation, the future of dragon fruit in Asia and beyond looks bright, with even more exciting possibilities on the horizon. Thank you for joining us on this journey. From soil to snack, the story of dragon fruit is one of passion, patience, and progress. Please leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We look forward to sharing more fascinating agricultural stories with you.